United Therapeutics has specified an organ delivery system based upon an optionally piloted vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Optionally piloted means the aircraft does not require a pilot, but still includes all of the controls for a pilot to fly it, enabling thousands of flights to occur without pilots where approved by the FAA. This facilitates the high-speed distribution of perishable lungs from United Therapeutics' lung manufacturing program to locations across the U.S. for transplant into patients. The program operates from its two facilities in Silver Spring, Maryland and Jacksonville, Florida, which are the first and only full-service ex vivo lung perfusion centers in the country. Through this revolutionary organ delivery system, United Therapeutics is committed to increasing the impact and expanding the reach of its lung manufacturing program in the U.S.
Welcome, Technician Matthews, to your United Therapeutics Organ Delivery System, or UTODS aircraft for this flight. Please load and lock down your manufactured organ and return the charging cable to its cradle. Don't close the doors because I will take care of that as part of my automated checklist. Please stay clear of the doors as I close them. Where would you like to go today, Technician Matthews? NYU Langone Health in New York, New York. Is that correct?
Yes.
Please wait one moment while I obtain an automated flight plan to NYU Langone Health from Air Traffic Control, or ATC. I will also reserve the UTODS vertiport at that location for our expected time of arrival. Meanwhile, please select a preferred artist from SiriusXM Music from the display screen. ATC has cleared our route to NYU Langone Health for departure within the next 10 minutes. The expected time en route is 1 hour and 45 minutes. You may follow the routing on the center display screen. The vertiport at our destination is available and has been reserved for us. One moment while I continue my pre-departure automated checklist. The pilot controls have been deactivated for this automated flight. You may pretend to fly with them, but they are not coupled to any flight controls.
When credentials are presented from a person who is trained and authorized to fly the UTODS, the aircraft's AI system will offer the person the option of manually flying the aircraft after they have taken the right seat in the cockpit. If the pilot accepts the option, then all flight controls in the cockpit will become active and coupled, enabling optionally piloted flight. The UTODS specifications require 0 pilot inputs other than presenting credentials, loading organs, handling the charging cable, fastening seatbelts, and selecting and confirming destinations, including requesting an emergency landing.
Step 3. System checked. Step 4. Battery power. Battery power checked. Step 5.
Everything else is handled automatically by the aircraft's AI system. Even today, general aviation aircraft equipped with the latest Garmin aviation electronics are able to select an emergency airport and land aircraft automatically upon the press of a button.
Communication system. Test transmission received. Communication system checked. Checking navigation system. Navigation system checked. Step 7. Checking flag controls. Primary. Backup. Flight controls checked. My departure checklist is complete. All primary and backup systems are functional. There are no obstructions, and there are 45 minutes extra battery power beyond what is required to get to NYU Langone Health. In case of a problem at that location, I have ATC permission to land nearby at LaGuardia Airport. Winds are calm. Are you ready for departure?
Yes.
Departure clearance received. Enjoy your flight.
Our objective at United Therapeutics is to make our UTODS not only airworthy, but also groundworthy. This means that they are safe and user-friendly, both in the air and on the ground. We never forget that with each organ we transport, we are transporting a human life. At United Therapeutics, biology is technology.